Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
An ETF is a basket of securities, shares of which are sold on an exchange. They combine features and potential benefits of stocks, mutual funds, or bonds. Like individual stocks, ETF shares are traded throughout the day at prices that change based on supply and demand.
Take our lead.
Exchange-traded funds (ETFs) are ideal for beginner investors due to their many benefits such as low expense ratios, abundant liquidity, range of investment choices, diversification, low investment threshold, and so on. 8 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.